Damn. That is sexy. That's seriously sexy. That is beautiful. Oh, that is amazing. I'd like to say hello to Brother Gary, who's travelled all the way upstairs to work on our house. I've had to travel to the living room to work. That's from Kerry. Can you wish my mate Scott a belated happy 50th for today, or in fact for the other day, I think. Right then, hopefully I uploaded the previous videos, or it may be part of this video, seeing how it goes with the time lapses. But this is how far I am now. So we got 2 doors on it, the central locking works, we got a dash in it, steering wheel, don't know why I pointed that out, it was there. Everything in the dash is in. I will be changing this now. I've repaired the old one, the speedo didn't work. That was just because the 2 screws either side, they had come out. So I've mended that. That's in the other truck, ready to go into this one. Yeah, and like I said, I'm just slowly piecing it all back together. Well, I say all back together, it's, you know, new bits. But no, they've done a lovely job with the paint job. Very happy with it. Yeah, F78 wiring harness is gone in. I've had a few hiccups, but with it, we're pretty much there now. Here's the poor truck I've stripped it off of. Yeah, there ain't really much left. As you know, well, it looks sad anyway. I'm literally about to pull this wing off. I've undone all the bolts, literally I just pull that off and it's off. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this wing on there. I'm only swapping them over. The other wings were fine, just, you know, these ones are blue. I'd rather not have blue, green, red and whatever other colours. If I can just keep it blue and red, hide the red bits and call that good, I'll be happy. Yeah, the turbo so far has been great. Power's good. It's got bottom end because obviously because of turbo it is. Air conditioning's been fitted, which on its way to being fitted. I got the pipes, the condenser and that's on the front. Yeah, we're slowly getting there anyway. Just it's a slow process, but we're getting there. At some point I've got to change that fuel pump with the one in there, because obviously that one's got the actuator for the turbo, this one hasn't, so I'll have to sort that out. But yeah, anyway, I'll start recording when something interesting happens, I suppose. Right, I don't think I've got much done externally from last time I spoke. I've put all the wiring harness where it should be now, down the sides. That's all clipped in the rough places. Wire's going down to the alternator. Nothing's wired up to the alternator other than the main B post wire, because I don't want that shorting on anything. I haven't got any proper electrical connectors. I got these things, but they're cheap Chinese crap, so they're not holding. But it doesn't matter. I got the aircon pipe, well, that aircon pipe in, going around there and down there, and yeah, so the aircon's nearly in. Just got to get the pump off of there. After trying to get that off, I got bored, and I ended up starting to do the interior instead. And the interior is nearly done. It will be all, some of it will be coming back out, like the carpet, to be cleaned. I wanted to make sure it all fitted before cleaning it and find out it was a waste of time washing this, doing this. So, but we got all the plastic trims. I think all the plastic trims in. The new handbrake lever from the other one. That thing there, made that fit. Yeah, carpet's in, that's obvious. And then if I pull the seat forward like that, you can see I've actually also put in the F78 plastic trim, which this truck shouldn't have. It shouldn't even have the headlining in there, but I've made that fit. There are places a bit iffy, but I'm happy enough with it. It hides the crap that's on the roof. Yeah, so the interior's in, mostly. Like I say, I've got to trim that side up, make all the things fit over there, but yeah, it's worked out quite well. Yeah, anyway, I thought I'd just record this, let you see how it's doing. But yeah, so if you ever want to do an F77 conversion to a F79, whatever you want to call this, yeah, all the interior bits mostly fit. There's a little bit of tweaking, like there are all those bits I've cut off. But no, it all fits. It's just a bit of modifying, let's say. Not bodging, modifying. Right, I've quite a while ago changed the fuel pump. Now it's got the better fuel pumps. Now it's got way more power than it did. Got bored and decided to put the wings and the bonnet. Well, the bonnet was already on, but the wings, the grille, and that, just to see how it looks. And I do love the way it's come out. The panels need straightening and messing around. They've still got to come back off. I was just getting too impatient, I think is the right word. But yeah, I thought I'd quickly video this. This will go with the fuel pump video, hopefully, and you can just quickly see how it looks. Yeah, no, it's looking really good now. I still need to drill some holes. I've got clips coming, but we got, again, I think I already said, got the dash in, interior bits, we got that one in as well, so that's all now sorted. We've cut it around the filler gap, I suppose. Yeah, all the lights on the dash now work. Yeah, it's looking good now. Yeah, I am very happy with this truck. It's covered very well now. The dents in the back, not worried about. When the flatbed's on, that will be sorted, which the flatbed is over there. Just waiting now to be put onto it. Yeah, that'll be on hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so. That'll be on. There's the truck. I've been taking all the bits off. It looks a bit sad now. Yeah. There's still bits to come off yet, but it's not looking happy now.